Hello everyone, this is Mate 20 Pro, and recently the battery is not giving enough power. Okay, it doesn't last that long, so we plan to replace the battery. Okay, we need the replacement battery, which is that one, and tweezer of course, then the flat tool, double-sided tape, and Phillips screwdriver, and obviously the hair dryer, because we're gonna blow hot air and then it's gonna be melt down and easily we can pull this out. So let's start. So first, make sure you turn it off. You don't need to take out the SIM tray, but in case, you know, you can take it out, but I'm gonna leave it like that. So first thing is first, we're gonna apply all the heat. It seems this is hot enough, so now what you need to do, take a flat tool and make a gap in between the battery pack and the actual frame. It's too hot. Yeah, don't go too far. Now use the plastic card, because this one would work like a blade, you know. Super strong glue. Alright, so that is the actual back cover. There is no flex or anything. It's fine. Before it gets dirty, what you need to do, you need to put it in a clean surface. I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, so now the actual battery is right here. We must need to remove all the screws that we can see to get access into it. I'm going to start from the top. Give it. Very careful before you pull this out. You must need to check and unplug this flex. Otherwise you're going to damage it completely. So keep this on the side. Disconnect the secondary flex, which is that one. That one as well, and this is the battery connector. So now they added some kinds of tab to pull this off, and it shows number. So number 1, and you need to pull it out. See? Okay, now That's quite interesting. It's actually fine. Without damaging the battery, we was able to pull this off. Now it's super simple. Put the new one in and the job would be done. Powerful batteries jump up. Before we push in, make sure it reaches to the connector and then put it back on like that. Connect the secondary flex. Before we connect, take out the battery flex again. 1, 2, 3, and then this one. So first thing is first, connect it first. Okay. Now this is the time to put back all the screws. I need to add some magnet. Small screw first on that one. If you see any mess, then you can give it a clean. If not, then just add the double-sided tape and the job would be completed. Alright, so now next job is to peel this off and put the back lid on and the job would be done. Let's check if there is any power before we close it. I think the battery is completely empty. No, it is not. So the battery is working absolutely fine without any delaying. We're gonna peel this off. We're gonna put it back. Yeah, so it's done. Everything is working as usual. So that's how you replace the battery for Mate 20 Pro. Still, if you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. And I hope I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.